Lahat po kasi ng sinasabi nila ngayon, lahat po ng ina-admit nila, lahat po ng sinasagot nila sa mga questions, sa investigation, lahat po yan pwede magamit against them later on kung hindi sila matanggap as a state witness. It was also under oath po sila doon, nakanotaryo po yun. At dahil po doon sa mga compliance na nagawa ng mag-asawang Diskaya, yung affidavit po na yun, pwede po yung gamitin as an extrajudicial admission po nila to committing a certain crime. Kasi in criminal cases po, kung hindi ka na talaga makaiwas na makulong talaga yung kliyente mo, yung next goal mo po kasi niyan as the lawyer of the accused is pababain po as much as possible yung penalty, 'di ba? So kung tingin po ng abogado na mag-asawang Diskaya mukhang mataas yung chance makulong sila later on kung magkakasuhan talaga. So ang next na lang po niyang gawin, papababain niya as much as possible yung penalty or papakontiin niya as much as possible yung mga cases kung saan posibleng makonvict po yung akusado or kliyente niya. Okay? So again, this is a good defense strategy po kasi kung hindi na po talaga tayo makaiwas sa conviction or sa kulong, ang layunin na lang po is pababaan yung kulong, yung duration of ng kulong or pakontiin yung mga crimes kung saan mako-convict yung accused.